you can add a blog to AdSense, you need to have a blog. You can create a blog using popular blogging platforms such as WordPress, Blogger, or Tumblr. Sign up for AdSense. To display ads on your blog and start earning money, you will need to sign up for AdSense. You can do this by visiting the AdSense website and clicking on the Sign Up Now button. Add AdSense code to your blog. Once you have signed up for AdSense, you will need to add the AdSense code to your blog. This code will allow AdSense to display ads on your blog. You can get the code by logging into your AdSense account and navigating to the Ad Units section. Configure ad settings. After adding the AdSense code to your blog, you can configure the ad settings. You can choose the type of ads you want to display, the size of the ads, and the location of the ads on your blog. Wait for approval. AdSense will review your blog to make sure it complies with their policies. This process can take a few days, so you will need to be patient. Start earning. Once your blog is approved, AdSense will start displaying ads on your blog, and you can start earning money. It's important to note that AdSense has specific policies and guidelines that you need to follow. Be sure to read and understand these policies before adding AdSense to your blog. Violating AdSense policies can result in your account being suspended or terminated.